It's been 9 years since Sony first introduced us to the G series 70-200, and today they've just announced the FE 70-200 f4 G OSS II. Offering higher image quality, shorter close-up performance, and better autofocusing, this new and improved compact telephoto zoom aims to be your new go-to for portraits, events, landscapes, and more. We'll start off by addressing the obvious. The lens is smaller. 15% smaller in fact, and the motivation behind this is portability. The previous 70-200 came in at an impressive 6.9 inches in length and 1.8 pounds in weight, and now at 5.85 inches in length and weighing 1.75 pounds, the new 70-200 can fit snugly with the rest of your lenses in your carrying cases. This does mean the new version no longer internally zooms, but the size trade-off is especially important for a focal length that is often the workhorse of many photographers. To put it simply, you're losing an inch to go a mile. Definitely a win-win. In terms of image quality, enhancements to the 13 groups and 19 elements yield impressive rendering and close-up performance, giving you half macro capability over the entire zoom range. The constant f4 maximum aperture also lends greater control over focus position for shallow depth of field techniques. 4 linear XD motors bring impressive high speed, high precision, and quiet autofocus tracking with floating focus. In a nutshell, this lens offers power, portability, and versatility all in a smaller, more lightweight package. So now let's take a look at how the lens fared on location. As you can see here, the optical design shines in these landscape photos, and every part of the frame is captured in crisp detail. This picture in particular was taken from over 30 feet away, and you can still see every part of the frame tack sharp. It was also shot on Sony's all-new flagship APS-C, the A6700. So if you'd like to know all about that, check out the video I did on it through the link below. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the 3.3-foot minimum focusing distance enables closer optical and autofocus performance for macro shooting, letting you get up close and personal with your subjects in extreme detail. And when I say up close, I mean it. Not to be outdone, portraiture and sports photography came out great as well, and combined with a high shutter speed, I was able to freeze time with shots of people and animals moving at high speeds in detail. All of these features can be applied to video applications as well, something macro-style videographers will greatly appreciate, especially considering the lens provides great autofocus throughout the entire zoom range. Finally, the lens comes equipped with 3 focus hold buttons, 3 optical image stabilizing modes to ensure sharpness in different shooting conditions, zoom lock switch, AF/MF switch, a full-time DMF switch, and a focus range limiter. So after putting this lens to the test, I have to say its range is pretty remarkable, and it's a welcome update to the previous f4 70-200mm. It's light, fast, and is insanely versatile. In every case, whether it was moving or still images, the lens yielded impressive results every time and would make a great addition to any Sony shooter's collection. But what are your thoughts on the new FE 70-200 f4 G OSS II lens? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. Until then, I'm Sam with B&H, and I'll see you next time.